Discover the secrets to making the most delicious Chinese chicken feet that's even better than dim sum restaurants.
Have you tried chicken feet? It's a must-eat in dim sum. In Chinese, we call it feng zhuan.
In a pot of water over high heat, add the maltose. Stir until dissolved. This will add a beautiful color to the chicken feet. You could also replace it with honey, followed by the rice vinegar, and stir lightly. This helps to remove the gamey taste and adds more color to the chicken feet. Transfer the chicken feet to the pot and bring it to a boil. Discard the water and drain. Air dry or pat dry the chicken feet.
I love to eat chicken feet. They're so rich in collagen and just so tasty. Whenever my friends and I would go out for dim sum, I always order them. So delicious. If you also enjoy chicken feet, please give a thumbs up.
In a pot over high heat, add the oil inside and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the chicken feet. Immediately cover the pot with a lid to prevent splattering. Deep fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Remove the chicken feet. Soak the chicken feet in ice water for at least 30 minutes to 2 hours until the skin puffs up.
Trust me, your patience will pay off at the end. Please comment below and share with me your favorite dim sum dishes.
Discard the water and drain. In a pot over medium heat, add the oil, ginger, scallions. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Add the sugar and stir fry until melted. Add the fermented black soybean. Stir fry for about 30 seconds, followed by the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Shaoxing wine. Return the chicken feet and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add the water to cover the chicken feet. Add the bay leaves and cover the pot with a lid. Bring it to a simmer. Turn to low heat and simmer for about 45 minutes. And turn to high heat to reduce the sauce for about 5 minutes.
They smell so good right now. They're ready to be served. You can eat them right now. But dim sum restaurant usually cook them ahead of time, and before serving, they will steam them again. This is how to do it.
To steam, place a few chicken feet in a small bowl. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer the chicken feet in the steamer and steam for about 6 minutes. Yep, this is how dim sum restaurant heat up the chicken feet.
They're absolutely delicious. Instantly fall off the bone. It's even better than my favorite dim sum place. If you also like to check out how to make Shaoxing, check out the video right here. And please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!